Welcome to week 3. We've got another fun week of learning ahead. First of all, you get to correct or critique an interview guide. It's a great way to learn, critiquing other researchers. And then you get to prepare your own draft protocol. Now remember, you're going to be using this for your own qualitative work, so you'll want to invest some good quality time in that protocol. You also get to review Hung's 2005 piece about the organization public relationships, and they focus on the implications for relationship management as part of public relations. Now, I encourage you, as you review her methodology, notice how exploring relationships lends itself to qualitative research methodology. Now, you're going to do a lot of critiquing of her work as part of our discussion, and you'll pick up other things, but that's one of the things that I noted, and I encourage you to kind of focus your efforts in similar fashion. 2 chapters in our Tracy text this week. Chapter 7, Tracy describes the yin and the yang of qualitative research. And I'll quote her here. She says, "What do yin and yang have to do with qualitative research? If practicing fieldwork is the yin of qualitative methodology, characterized by the researcher's submission to emergent ideas, and by her or his letting the context determine the foci of study, then the interviewing is the accompanying yang, with its active recruitment of participants and design of specific questions and dialogues. There are aspects of each, that is the yin and the yang, that flow together in any qualitative study, but some studies emphasize one more than the other." I like that quote, and the reason I like it is because there really is this interaction between the yin and the yang of qualitative research. Think of the qualitative methodology and the interviewing technique. And I think you'll find that's true as you go through this course. And we move on to Chapter 9. Tracy's going to offer some more practical advice for collecting, organizing, coding your data. Now this is very important, because what you'll find is that there are lots of ways to collect, organize, and code your data. Take the advice that Tracy gives you and then find what works for you, keeping in mind the more attention, the more focus, the more time that you spend in the planning phases of your research, the easier and, more importantly, more effective the results will be. So focus now on how you want that to look and how you want to invest time in order to get the best results for yourself. Well, that's it for now. Remember, as always, to stay ahead, stay engaged in the discussion post, and enjoy this time of learning.